What are they?
Rain slickers. These are rain slickers.
They're rain slickers. How come you're in your pajamas? Cause why?
Cause
The struggle is real. She hates getting dressed and getting her hair done. So if we're just at home, usually I let her stay in her pajamas, huh? But if we go somewhere, then we have to get dressed, huh?
and then we come back and get my jammies on.
What are we gonna do now? Okay, let's go feed Peaches.
I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight.
Let me down.
Me and Indy are on chore duty tonight because the boys are gone. We gotta feed Peaches some hay, get her some water, and we also gotta get the chickens, do the eggs, and what else? Oh, water the sheep. We gotta water the sheep. What else do we gotta do, Indy? Did Daddy tell you anything else we needed to do?
Feed the horses.
Feed the rest of the horses? Okay. Don't bother. Just give her nice hugs.
Mom, can you wipe it off?
Did she slobber on you? We just have to show you. Daddy, the other... Peaches, let me go on the other side. Here, hold that brush, Indy. Peaches, let me see your brand, girl. So the other day, Daddy branded Peaches. We love you, girl. Yes, we do. We love you, Peaches. Are you helping brush her? Did you jump off the tramp? Don't do that. You will get hurt.
Mommy. Sorry, Mom. Sometimes I won't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. It might hurt you. I just had to feed and water the chickens. I think I have like 25 eggs that I collected. And I forgot a bucket, so I'm just putting them in my sweatshirt.
Good job, Brax. Long lead, but we got him into a rope. Grandson right here.
I'm just sitting here waiting for Braxton to get off the bus so we can go get Indy and go to my grandpa's 87th birthday party, which is a...
A lot of hot dogs, but it's okay. A wise person once told me that you should eat your dessert first, because then you might choke on your real food and die. Who would have said such a crazy thing? Oh.
Make your wish.
Okay, Harry, sing everyone.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Now, do you think Grandpa can pull them all out?
Wow. Now I get the cut up.
Now you can have some cake, I guess.
Indy, look at me.
What? It's still my turn.
No, you're glued. Grandpa was calling. Well, she was getting warm and her life jacket is wet. So it made her cold again.
Nope, we run out of gas.
Uh-oh, we're gonna have to swim back.
Run out of gas. Did we find some water? Ah.
Was Grandpa gonna throw you in?
No. Was the water cold? Or just cool?
Water, Mom.
Water.
Was the water cold?
Ooh, there's a big fish in there.
Woo.
He's splashing.
I'm just going out here.
Oh, that water feels good.
On your toes?
Yeah.
I'm going a little fast.
You gonna go fast? Harder. A little harder. Oh yeah, now it's full of peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
I thought you were planning to jump in. Are you swimming?
Yeah. Come on, let's go that way.
How's the water? Is it freezing?
No.
It's not too bad, huh? Don't put your face in the water. Look at your mom. She's taking pictures. She's gonna. There's a big fish.
That's farther.
Is there any new ones in there?
Yeah. I'll get you one.
Okay.
I'll get you one.
Oh, it's okay. I can just look at yours.
No, I can just get you one.
Okay.
I'll come like that.
Okay, go get me a truck paper. Oh, thank you.
I have this kind.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I can look at. What's that one?
That's a rake.
A rake?
That's orange, and that's, I don't know.
Green.
Green.
It's green.
And when you build it, I'm looking for the other tractor one. I'm going to get one for that, too. That can sit in the middle one.
I bet Dad could use mine.
No, I'm going to put that. You didn't have your carpet.
Oh, really? How come you'd rather go with Daddy than come with me shopping today? Guess why?
Because
Oh, zoom in on those eyes. Pretty eyes. Oh, one eye. Can I have another bite? I can? No? I can't have another bite?
nah.
How come? different. Usually I'm just in the routine of going to work, doing schoolwork, taking care of the kids, you know, just normal life, doing chores, helping Clay. But today, Clay had Indy on the truck with him, Braxton was at school, and I decided to go shopping somewhere I usually don't go, so I went to Ogden, went to a bunch of fun different stores that I don't have around me here. And so I don't have a Target close to me. It takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to get to the closest Target. But I got a huge haul today because they had such good clearance on girl stuff that was perfect for Indy. Like some of these shirts were like $3 and $4, dresses for like $7. It was cute kitty one, and this blue one, and this bright orange long sleeve. This one was my favorite. I loved it. It'll be perfect for fall. I'll just stick it back in her closet. She'll grow into it. Oh, it's so cute. I love these ruffles. And then I got her this cute sweatshirt, and this yellow shirt was my favorite. I loved it. And then also got this pink one that has little tassels around the neck. It's so cute. Then I also found some wrapping paper for her birthday. I don't know if you can see it very good, but it has unicorns on it, and it says happy birthday. It's really cute. And then I found this one that I'm going to do as like a photo backdrop and put some cute unicorns behind, and we have cute unicorn props for it. And then of course I had to get my snack. I'm addicted to Nutty Butters. And then I found these cute plates, dessert plates for her birthday cake. Next I went into a store called Boardman's. It's the first time I had ever been in there, but I found the perfect swimsuit. Look how cute the top scalloped edges are. I love it. And then I found this just cute pink shirt, some Steve Madden sunglasses, and then this necklace that I thought would match that shirt perfectly. And then I also found Indy some Nike socks and a George book. Happy birthday, she'll like it. Then I found this really cute pin the horn on the unicorn game. I thought it'd be so cute for her birthday. It would match perfect.
What is these horses called?
I don't know their names.
Me too.
What, honey?
Way out here?
Yeah, just lead her out here. That's fine. Leading horses in our pajamas.
I'm going down.
How's he doing? The saddle's tight enough? You're what? You're on horse duty? Perfect Saturday morning out with our horses. I think she found some weeds that she wants to eat.
Okay, laying this is plant.
I got some there.
Now we're just spot right here, Chase. Oh yeah, there's a spot over on this side too. Here, Chase. Right here. Good. Chase,
The
I'll
more
find
the
one over
better, huh?
there. Here's another spot, Chase. Right.
That bag is as big as Indy.
I want to find an orange one.
Chase can Chance help you plant an orange one in the other pot.
Okay, bring it over here.